In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a clothing store in Godaddy Website Builder. If you want to sell clothing online, Godaddy Website Builder makes it fairly simple to set up an online store and start adding products. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the exact flow you need, from editing your site to publishing it for customers to see. First, you will open your website editor by using the option called Edit Website. This is the area where you can make changes to your pages. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct site, because everything you do in the editor will update what visitors see later. Once you are in Edit Website, look for the page layout or the section where you can add new content. Next, click on the plus option which says Add Section. This step is important because an online store is not just a single setting. It is typically added as a dedicated section within your page layout. After you click Add Section, you should see a list of available section types. This is where you choose what kind of block or feature you want to add. Now select Online Store from the section choices. When you choose this, you are telling the builder to insert a store framework into your site. This is what will allow you to add products and show them in a way that customers can browse. After you select Online Store, click Add to place it on your site. At this point, you have the store structure, but you still need to add items for sale. So the next part is where you start building your catalog. Once the online store section is added, click Add Product. If you are seeing a product panel or a product form area, that means you are in the right place. This is where you enter the information that customers need, such as what the item is, how it is presented, and the images that represent your clothing. After clicking Add Product, enter the product details and upload photos. This is one of the most important steps because clear product information and quality photos help customers feel confident before they buy. Make sure the product details you enter match the clothing item you are selling, and upload photos that show the item clearly. If there is a place for multiple photos, consider using more than one angle so customers can see the design and fit. Spend a moment making sure the photos look good when they are displayed in the store section. When you have finished entering the product details and adding your images, click Save. This ensures your product is stored within the builder and does not disappear when you move around the editor. After you save, you should see confirmation that the product has been added, or you may notice the product appears in your online store listing. Finally, once your products are in place and you are ready for people to visit the site, click Publish. Publishing is what actually makes your changes live on the internet. Before you publish, it helps to quickly review that the store section is visible where you want it and that the products and photos are showing correctly. Then click Publish to put everything into an active, customer-ready state. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.